Okay, here we go. Tyler, get a basket. Do a slam dunk for mommy.
Tyler, put it in the basket. I first get really dizzy. Now put it in the basket. Get the ball. Okay, get the basket. I'm here to cheer you on.
Good, Ty. No, Ty, get in the basket. In the hoop. In the hoop. Put the ball in the hoop. Mommy will be a cheerleader, okay?
Come on. I'm watching. Yay! Come here! Where's my hug? Okay, I'm watching. Yay! Ooh. Thank you for the kiss. That was extra special. No, I'll keep my glasses, thank you. No, Mommy's gonna keep those.
Tyler, do a slam dunk. Where's the ball? Go for a slam dunk. Go for a slam dunk, Ty.